Welcome back to Highlights at Home. This election day, the idea of what's best for your community is probably top of mind. That's why we've put together this civic-minded collection of free digital resources. My name's Allie, I'm an editor at Highlights, and I'm here to help you care for your community with this week's bundle of Fun with a Purpose activities. The mother-daughter duo in this check and double check puzzle know that casting your vote is an important way to show up for your community. In addition to voting, there are plenty of other ways for you and your child to give back, ones that don't have any age requirements. It can be as simple as raking up leaves around your neighborhood, just like the family in this week's Hidden Pictures puzzle does. If raking isn't your style, be sure to check out our list of 25 easy community service ideas for kids. It really has something for everyone. Your child can learn about the true story of one woman, her touring justice bell, and the ongoing fight for suffrage for all by watching this week's video story. Consider giving context to the key dates in the story by telling your child how old a relative was at that time. For example, my great-grandma B was 11 years old when women earned the right to vote. And my grandparents were just a little bit older than I am now when the Voting Rights Act of 1965 passed. Now, just because your child isn't old enough to vote yet doesn't mean they can't make their voice heard. They can use the instructions in this bundle to write a letter to their senator or representative. Talk with your child about how our elected officials are meant to represent the people in their communities, and how writing letters is a really good way to make sure they know what their people want. Our kindness prompt encourages your child to make I voted stickers for family members who vote. I voted early by mail, and the only downside was that I didn't get an I voted sticker. So I went ahead and made one myself. Now I'm going to walk around town and show off my sticker. We'll be back soon with more free digital resources. In the meantime, take care of yourself and your community. And don't forget to vote.
Hey parents, find more great videos on Highlights for Grown-ups, the channel that helps you help your kids be their best selves.